In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit, run JavaScript code using Replit. To get started, head to the Replit homepage. This is your central dashboard, where you can access projects, templates, and everything you need to code in the browser. On this page, look for the highlighted search or quick start area. Type in what you're looking for, such as a JavaScript starter or the name of an existing project, and you'll see relevant options appear. When you're ready, click Start. This launches your workspace with the selected template or project. If you see another start prompt, go ahead and click it again to confirm. Replit will create the environment for you and set up the files automatically. For JavaScript, that typically means a nodejs project with an entry file like index.js and a place to view logs and output. Once your workspace is open, select the highlighted project in your list to focus on it. You'll see your files on the left, the editor in the middle, and a console or web view on the right. Take a quick moment to scan the file tree so you know where your main script lives and where output will appear. If your project includes a web server, Replit will handle the server port for you and route it to a preview. When you're ready to share your work, click Publish. Publishing turns your project into a shareable app so others can see or try it without accessing your editor. In the Publish panel, click the highlighted fields to add a clear title and a short description. Keep it concise and helpful so visitors understand what your app does. Avoid including secrets or private data. Anything you publish can be viewed publicly. Next, click Publish your app. Replit will package your project and generate a public link. This process may take a moment the first time as the environment builds and assets are prepared. Once it's done, you'll have a live, shareable version of your JavaScript app. Finally, click Preview. This opens an interactive view where you can see your app running. If it's a web app, the preview pane will load your site. If it's a console-based script, you'll see logs and output. Use this view to verify everything is working as expected, check console messages, and confirm the behavior matches your code. That's it. You navigated to Replit, started your JavaScript project, opened it in the workspace, published it, and previewed the live version. Save your link, iterate on your code, and come back to publish updates anytime.